Hello everyone, it's really important to get backups of our website because if someone hack our website or when we do some updates or code changes to our website, there has possibility to delete or miss the required files of our website, or if some automatic updates destroy our website, we have fresh backup of our website, so we can use that recent backup of the website and restore the website without getting any issues. So let's install a backup plugin to our WordPress website. So to do that, I will go to plugins and click on add new. In this search bar, I will search Updraft. Now you will see Updraft WordPress backup plugin. Install that plugin. Now I click on activate. I will close this guideline. So now we have link on here. So I hover over the Updraft plus and click on backup restore. Then you can get a backup. So simply click on backup now and make it as a default setting and click on backup now. Now this plugin will start to get backup of our website. So if I scroll down, here is the backup. In here we have database backup, plugins backup, theme backup, and upload data backup and other files backup. So we can download those backups to our local website. So if I click on download to your computer, it will start download to my computer. So if I want, I can save this backup on my local website. Okay, currently my website look like this. So let's remove this theme file and try to upload our backup. I will go to cPanel of this website and remove the theme folder. So now I am in the file manager. So in here I can go to WP content and themes. So current theme is color max, so I select the color max theme, then I click on delete and click on confirm. If you follow this course with the local website, you can go to exam folder. In exam you can go to htdocs. In htdocs you will see the website folder that we installed on the first lesson. So you can go inside that folder and go to WP content and theme. Then you can delete the theme. But if you do this method with your original website, don't try to delete the theme because that will affect your website and your website will be down. So now if I search my website has theme directory color mac doesn't exist. That means there has a error. So now I go to backend. So backend working well. Now we have to fix this issue. To do that, I will click on restore and I can restore all of those content or restore only theme because currently my theme is the only missing part of this website. So in this case I will click on themes, then I click next, then I click restore. Okay, now I click on return to Updraft plus configuration. Now if I refresh this page, my website will load in perfectly because I restore the recent backup of my website. So this is the power of the get backup of your website. So in this lesson I show you how to get backup manually. Next lesson I will show you how to set up automatic backup system.